guys, welcome back to one of my cooking episodes, and I've been posting a video and it's gonna be making a pizza, but I didn't say it's a cooking video, but it's still my cooking time. So today we're making cookies, and we need egg, melted butter, which is right over there, and yeah, now we're gonna get these things done. So it's actually Korean because the one who did this was my brother's friend, and it's a goodie bag, and he's from Korea. And there's also this for those Asian people, and yeah. So now we are gonna get these things out. First, we have this thing because we're gonna put it like wait, I'm gonna find it in the bag, like that bag, if you can see. And so on. I'm all the time because I don't know what to say. Okay.
What is that?
That's what I'm about. I think this is flour. So clear. It's backlighting. And yeah, crack the egg. Let's go. Okay, it's already cracked. I am really good at cracking eggs. Like, I'm getting better and better because I've cooked since I don't know how old, but oh wow. Oh my god. What do I do?
Okay, stir it. Quick, quick, quick. Faster,
Butter,
faster.
butter's in there, butter is in there. Oh my gosh, are you sure this is it? It looks like scrambled eggs. Because I'm guessing it is scrambled eggs. Just like eggs scrambled.
Faster, faster.
Okay, this is how it looks like. My mom helped me while I was washing my hands. And yeah, we're gonna, all of them?
Yes, all of them.
What?
Slowly, yeah?
We're gonna like pat.
Okay.
Can I mix it?
Yes, you mix
Mommy,
it.
what's the other mixer?
The same. You do it by yourself.
I wanna do it. Oh my gosh, Mom, you spilled everything. I got a mini mixer. I want the big one. It's easier. I want the big mixer. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It actually tastes really good.
You try it.
Obviously, yes. And I can smell it.
Smells so good, yeah? Okay, can you put it here inside?
If I were the one who make it, I'll make a billion for you guys. You should try it. It's so good.
Okay.
Now we're gonna get this. Put this. Oh my god! I'm just using.
Don't forget, you need to cut this one first to make a hole, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you do it? Can you do it? Make the hole.
I did it already.
Yeah. We need to put the piping thing.
Okay. I'll
Please
scoop
do
it
it.
for you. You put it there. Yeah. Can you please
so
hold the
good.
paper? The plastic?
Just too good, mommy.
Huh?
It's so good. You know, guys, it's so good.
Hey.
Eat it.
Help
Eat
me
it.
out,
It's
girl.
so good. Okay. Why do I keep on looking like awkward?
Okay.
I'm just always saying okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Stop eating it.
after that. Yummy. That's too yummy.
Okay.
There's a lot more, mommy.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna do this. I wanna do the rest.
Okay, but stop eating it.
Yeah. Okay. Whatever you say. Oh my gosh.
Show it to them what you do.
Look at
Here.
this. Oh my god.
Here, you need to put it inside the plastic bag.
Putting it inside the plastic bag. And yeah, I'm gonna show you it when it's done. Quiet few, and now we're gonna make it again. And also the curler.
We don't have the paper, yeah.
Mhm.
I hope the cookies
It-
will be
oh,
good. I think you can make it bigger.
I know. Let me just do. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna make it even bigger.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh, that's not good. That's not looking good.
It's okay. You try more. It's
No,
okay.
we're still trying, and it's a lot harder than we thought, but it's okay. Because what matters is that the cookie tastes good, not about its shape. Okay. Each cookie has a different shape, so don't judge it. Oh my gosh! It's so cool. It's so nice. I saw it. Oh my gosh, mommy, it's so nice.
Okay, next one.
That's one cookie.
Wait there. Can you please hold this one?
This.
Hold this. Okay.
Okay, let's keep on going. That one's like the best shape.
Hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding.
Wow.
Wow. It's like that, done.
Okay, next one. But it's too small lah.
Yeah, okay, we'll keep on doing it then.
Yeah. All good?
Oh my gosh, it's gone out.
Yeah?
Look at this. Look at
Ugh.
Ow! Oh my gosh, guys, let's hope. Wish us luck.
That's good. Yeah, next one. Wow.
Wow, it's so pretty. It's like a flora, like Miss Flora.
Who is Miss Flora?
My teacher. It looks like a floral.
So cool.
You know, so, one of my favorite characters is named Flora.
Oh yeah? Gimana?
And Wings.
Wings? What is that?
I'll show you.
Wait, stop.
Okay, guys, we're still trying, and I got some in my mom's house. And this one is quite a disaster, but
Yeah, you can
that's
do
so
it now,
nice.
Ran.
Good.
I'm holding it and then you can just... Okay.
So oily.
Buttery.
Buttery? Why is it buttery?
Kan tadi pakai butter. Bawahnya. Press harder.
Bum, 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 bum. Just won't go out. Ah. Never mind, put it. Push him. Push him.
Why it's so difficult? Okay,
Mommy, that sound is not going.
let's do this offline.
Offline. So we literally just gave up on the flower thing, so we're gonna do it again on the next video, and we're just gonna play it cool. Oh my gosh, it's just a bigger spot. So yeah, this is how it actually turned out. Actually, yeah, I'm sorry, but I didn't notice this, so I actually said tend up, which I don't know what that means. So this is how it actually turned out. It's not perfect, but anyways, it's my first time of the cooking video, and it's my third video. So now I'm gonna put us in the oven, but not me, okay? My mom. We're gonna wait for 10 minutes, and we'll be back soon. And also, this is so yummy, okay? If I were the one who made it, I'll give it to you. Eat 'em. So the cookies are ready. So my mommy's gonna take it out of the oven and boom, taste test with my brother Aiden. Aiden, come here. This is how it ended up. Like it kind of tastes good, kind of. And
Tastes so good.
anyways, 3, 2, 1, say it. 3, 2, 1, say it. It kind of tastes so good. No. 3, 2, 1. Say thank you, John. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. Say anything. No. 3, 2, 1, say it. Say what? 3, 2, 1. Thank you, John. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, John.
Who is John?
His friend.
Oh, your friend who give you this one. Yeah? Okay, say goodbye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Thanks for